Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This is another of my short stories of the type that's in my book Secrets. In fact, this story is going to be in the next printing of my book Secrets, which should be available in a week or so. Anyway, the story is called Drone. I was taught it was okay, no, good, to be ordinary. You see, I grew up in a Unitarian, Union member family in Madison, Wisconsin. Being individualistic, even superior, was seen as too willful, even too capitalistic. I was told, or shown, that it was best to be part of the group, to be normal. And that was easy, because my looks are just average, and now that I'm bald, I guess it's fair to say below average. I majored in environmental studies, which at the University of Wisconsin-Madison is certainly normal. After I graduated, I got a job with the state, screening applications for commercial fish and game permits. It was okay. So I was sad when they introduced AI-assisted application screening, and so the government was able to let go some workers. I was a good worker, and so I thought I'd be okay, but the union demanded that people be let go in order of seniority, so I was gone. I had assumed that once you signed on with the state, you'd have some job there for life, but no. So I had to pound the pavement, and because my degree is dime a dozen, and my work history didn't have much in the way of transferable skills, the best I could get, and I hoped it would be just short-term till I could get something good, was poster hanger. You know, the people who put signs in windows and telephone poles for concerts and shows. The company that hired me to do that puts up posters for non-profit fundraisers, so I figured that at least matches my values. Unfortunately, one time, to make room for my posters, I had to take down some business cards from a cafe's large bulletin board. Unfortunately, a person who had put up her card advertising her yoga business was there and saw me take her card down and said, "Stop that!" Well, that somehow annoyed me, and I said, "Shit, does it really matter that much?" Well, apparently it did. She asked for my name and the name of the company that hired me, and I was scared and apologetic, so I told her. Then I got fired. My personal life also has been nothing much. Like I said, I'm no Tom Cruise, and I don't have much that's interesting to talk about. I can't talk about my job. My family is ordinary. My interests are ordinary. I am an environmentalist. So I like separating my recyclables from my compostables and hope someday I can do an eco trip like to Costa Rica, but all that's boring. So I haven't had much success in dating. But I'm a normal guy with normal desires, and there is this lovely looking woman who lives in the building across from me, maybe 100 yards away. I'm too scared to ask out such a pretty woman, so at night, she usually doesn't draw her curtains. I guess being on the 4th floor and my building being so far away, she feels she didn't need to. So, to give myself something to look forward to every day, I got a drone, and at night, while I was reading or watching TV, I'd position the drone close enough to her window that I could get a decent look, and I would periodically glance over. And it was fun for about a week. A few times I did see something lovely. But then she saw the drone, and saw me in the window and called the cops. I'm writing to you from jail. I'll be out in a year, maybe less. But what am I going to do then? I just don't know. Anyway, that story is called Drone. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 30 books. Most relevant to this is that book, Secrets. Anyway, you can find all 30 on Amazon. Just go to Amazon and search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.